Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's your girl Lataya and Nichelle back with another video. Y'all, it is early in the morning right now. It is about 7 o'clock, I want to say. And I'm at the grocery store. So right now I'm here to get some breakfast food because I haven't been to the grocery store since last week. So I think that might be all. Y'all, I didn't even do my skincare or nothing. They don't even have French toast sticks, and that's what I really wanted. These and these, so they don't have the small one. I may just end up getting the big one. There is more servings in this one, so I think I'm gonna just go ahead and get it. They do have other ones, but I was looking for the ginger and lemon one. But yeah, for now I'm gonna just go ahead and get that one. Also gonna go ahead and get some apples. $5. $3.99. $4.9. So y'all, right now I am about to get ready to head out, run some errands. I need to pick up a few things from the store. I didn't get to use any of my skincare products just yet. Okay, so y'all, I got a lot of different masks, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare routine, and I'm gonna incorporate one of the masks as well. I haven't figured out which one I want to do. A lot of these are sleeping masks. I'm gonna go ahead and do this mask. So I'll go ahead and apply these eye masks underneath my eyes while I put the face mask on. And then I'll be using my jade roller while I apply my face oil or moisturizer, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, and then I also have this. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out with my face wash. I know it's only for makeup, but we're gonna see because I'm tired of using my hands. It doesn't feel like I'm really doing anything, so we're gonna see. This is pretty soft, so we're gonna see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower, and I'm gonna come back to you guys when I get out the shower. Okay, so I went ahead and cleansed my face. Right now, it's feeling very minty. What I'm hoping with these, I'm hoping they don't slide off my face, because the ones that I was using once before, I would have to lay down and put those on, or to even do the mask. Well, these stick way better than the ones that I was originally using. I can't remember which ones those were, but those would not stay on my face for nothing. So these are more rubbery and suction cuppy. I actually really like that. All right, y'all, so this is the eye mask. It's not super wet or whatever. It sticks to your skin just because of the material is sticking to my skin. But y'all, it's such a mess in my bathroom. I have to clean up, but is the mask. So I went ahead and set a 10-minute timer. A part of me wants to put this in the freezer. Does that not sound like it is gonna feel amazing? this little ball would be like really, really cool on your skin. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could keep it up, man. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No.
Alright y'all, so I made it to TJ Maxx and right now I'm just looking for a set of pillows because I had to throw away, or I'm about to throw away the ones that I have already because they're super, super flat. So I'm trying to find some good pillows, but this one is like super, super hard. I don't know, I'm being so indecisive right now. I'm realizing they don't have a set of 4, it's only a set of 2. I'm stuck between these and these ones. I went ahead and got these ones and I'm about to head to Target to find some pants. So when I get there, I will see you guys then.
This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep what it's saying. Black leather glove, no seat.
Y'all, I am back home. I did end up doing my hair. I did some stitch braids. Well, honestly, these are regular cornrows. They're not stitch braids. I can't do stitch braids in my hair that well. I can do them better in somebody else's head because I can actually see what, you know, the hair that I'm grabbing and stuff like that. So, you know, regular cornrows. 6 of them going straight back into a bun. Something simple. So yeah, I got the pillows. As you guys can hear, they're still in the bag. I haven't taken them out just yet, just because I came in, got settled, and just wanted to chill for a bit. I really didn't plan to do anything today. Me and my boyfriend was talking about going hiking on a trail, but we don't know if we're gonna do it today or wait for the next nice day, and just really plan it out because we're not planning things out and like we end up just don't doing it just because it's not planned out. So definitely gonna plan that out. Yeah, I did get a PR gift from Good Molecule. I didn't really do my skincare the last week just because I was feeling very stressed and I just was getting up, not getting that much sleep. So getting up in the morning, just, you know, washing my face a little bit and just going and not really doing my whole routine. So since I do have the Good Molecules now, that's actually gonna push me because I'm gonna actually get into it and you know, test out the products and stuff like that and see how it works with my skin. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Yeah, but I am just gonna chill. I'll probably pick the camera up later. I do kind of want some ice cream. My boyfriend is trying to diet right now, so it's so hard. Like, I really wanted to get ice cream before coming back, but I was gonna feel bad because he can't have any right now. So yeah, we may get some ice cream later. I don't know.
It's like, but I just don't want to, but like, you know what I mean? I be like,
Don't take. It's a little too late. It feels so good out. Ew, what is that? What's that? That big black thing. It's close.
you see the lady walking down here? You don't see this?
Oh wow, that's close. Oh, it feels so good out. Woo! See, I'm over here trying to record. That's why. I'm gonna try. I have Crocs on. Oh shit! Definitely need sneakers. I didn't lift my foot up hard enough. Huh? It's so pretty. It is.
My phone
Only been days, but it felt like months. When gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Oh shit. My legs are burning. They're burning. We're not that far.
It's gonna be if we walk all the way around, and the only way back is either across, around, or see it all the way through.
We seeing it through. Be careful. You're like swinging the bushes when you pass them.
I'm sorry.
They're hitting me. Now we ain't gotta walk.
No, people be going down that way.
Oh, they tripping. It definitely says do not go in the goddamn water.
Yeah, in the water.
Where they?
You're not in the water.
I thought she was talking about down there.
No, like you don't see.
Oh, okay. We're gonna follow that way. Cause the hill we just took.
As long as it's not dark.
Yeah. It looks really nice out here.
Really calming.
I know. I ain't gonna go down there.
Yeah.
I want to get in one of the canoes down there.
And that's where they
Park them at.
unload the boat.
You about to irritate me. If you want to climb that big ass hill, it's actually probably 2 hills because they were pretty far up. If you want to do that, be my guest. I'm not gonna lie, my big toe is hurting already.
You don't gotta go too far. You can pick a little spot.
Right here on the log. You want to sit over there on that one or this one? Yeah. Or this one. It's ants.
Hey, wait.
Dante. Yeah, that's far. Here? You definitely are.
This is our shit. King and queen. That'd be a trail because that's the bridge.
My edges look horrible. They sweated out. We need to like start vlogging on the couples channel. Cause I don't know. Like my dad talked about going camping and we just never went.
I would like to, but I feel like I would be scared.
Camping?
Yeah, just cause it's like you're not scared, you're just outside. And like you're in a tent at that, so you don't even see what's going on around you. Deer can be a fucking I don't know, something.
Yeah. See. Wait. Please don't smack me. Is this sturdy enough? Like, look at my thumb. It hurts. I wasn't prepared to go through no woods today. Whoa. Did it get you? I don't feel like I need it. Ugh. Oh, Lord. I said, we're not even supposed to be over here. Be careful where you step. So I've seen some dog poop. What's the plan now?
Get back to the car so I can get all the tiny things out of my damn hair.
Are they? They're not on here. I'm ready to eat. My mouth is dry. So nice out. What are you searching?
Nah, I was just making sure it wasn't like poisonous or nothing.
Oh my gosh.
Agreed.
No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in a track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying.
All right, you guys, it is a whole new day. Hiking was very fun. It's been a while since we actually went out and hiked, so that was definitely needed. It was very, very fun. If you guys like watching videos like this and you want to see more, make sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Make sure to turn on my post notifications so you guys don't miss a post. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.